Hello everyone, today we will be showing you how to assemble our multi-leaf Christo riser door frame. We have laid out the frame in parts. As you can see here, you've got your two C-section channels, left and right. You have your head and your threshold of the frame. You have your joining plates and you have the acoustic plates. We're going to show you how to assemble the head of the frame using the two joining plates. So as you can see here, there are a number of holes that are located across the front. There's two that we need, this hole here and this hole here. So using the face of the joining plate, as you can see here, these two face fronts, this aligns with these two holes here. So as we pointed out earlier, you've got this hole here and this hole here, that aligns. Using the screws that we send with the frame, just apply them hand tight in position. And then repeat the same process on the other side. And that is also the same process at the bottom of the frame as well. We have assembled the head and the threshold of the frame. We are now going to show you how to identify which is the head and which is the threshold. So this pivot hinge here, as you can see, is pre-installed and this one here is not. Once we have assembled the threshold of the frame, align the two fixing channels, as you can see here, with these two top holes, both located here and there on the frame. It's simple as align it up, apply a bit of pressure, and you can see both the two fixing points, and on the inside of the frame there's a fixing point here and here. As you can see here, there are slots applied to the frame, and now this allows you to adjust depending on if the holes are not aligning. So the next thing you need to do is just apply the screws both to this side of the frame and repeat the process for that side of the frame. Now when applying the head of the frame, same applies with regards to the fixing holes. However, on this one, you only need to initially apply the screws to the inside of the frame. So the head of the frame is assembled exactly the same as the base of the frame. The only difference is we have these acoustics plates, as you can see here. To determine which one is your left and right, as you can see here, there is a section that is cut out. Now that always goes on the side where you've got the two pivot hinges there. Now that is to locate the double doors. So the next step would be to remove these screws here, as you can see. So I'll just remove them now. So we'll offer the acoustic plate up to the frame and locate it with the holes as so. Now that is the frame complete. So for fitting instructions of the frame, please see our other videos.